Okay, this is Mrs. Cates. We're going to be talking about mixed numbers and improper fractions today. One thing you need to keep in mind is that mixed numbers and improper fractions, both of these are fractions greater than 1. Okay, so let's look at a few definitions. First, let's define what a mixed number is. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So a couple of examples would be 2.5 or 3 3/4. Next, let's look at an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. And a few examples would be fractions like 14/3, 5/4, and 3/2. Each of these, the numerator is greater than the denominator, so that makes them improper fractions. Okay, so in the bottom of your page, I want you to draw a table. And on this table, it's going to have 3 columns. The first column is going to be titled mixed number. The middle column is going to be titled picture. And the last column is going to be called improper fraction. Okay, so let's look closely at the mixed number 2 1/4. We're going to model this mixed number as a picture. So to start, we're going to look at the whole number, which is 2. So we're going to draw 2 holes. In this case, I'm going to use squares or rectangles. So here I have 2 holes. And then in the last one, I'm going to represent 1/4. So I'm going to draw another rectangle, split it into fourths, and I'm only going to look at one of those fourths. Now, I colored in 1/4, so I'm going to go back to my 2 holes, and I'm going to also split those into fourths so they are all alike. And I'm going to color in 2 holes. The reason why I chose to split these into 4 equal parts is because of the denominator of 4. Okay, so as an improper fraction, you're asking yourself, how many fourths do we have in 2 1/4? So if we look at our picture, here's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, make 1 whole. 5, 6, 7, 8/4. That would be my second hole. And then here I have 1/4 left. So altogether, we have 4, 8, 9 fourths. Okay, so looking back at our mixed number, we have 2 groups of 4, which equals 8, plus my 1 extra is going to equal us 9. Denominator will always stay the same, 9